Med spa versus day spa.
So med spa is where we are doing most of our treatments that are medical grade, and usually it's the doctor that prescribes it. So it's more a skin clinic, but a little bit of the spa vibe. Whereas your day spa, you get your treatments that are like foo-foo, makes you feel good, but not rectifying most of your skin problems or issues.
Fillers versus Botox.
So Botox is used where we have lines that's because of expression, like frown lines in your forehead, in between your brows, because we're making a lot of expression, and because of that movement, those lines are there. Fillers are used where even when you're not making movement, they're still there, like around the mouth. That's where the fillers go.
Wrinkle versus fine line.
Wrinkles, again, which are etched. Like even when you're not making any movements or something, they're still very etched. You can see sometimes etched lines, they're very deep set. Those are your wrinkles. Fine lines are, where they're really, really fine, or you might notice them when you make a certain movement and things like that. And fine lines are very early on in your life.
Hyperpigmentation versus dark spots.
Well, hyperpigmentation and dark spots are one and the same. Hyperpigmentation, under the umbrella comes your dark spots after like acne left behind, or melasma, that's the patches that you see on the cheeks, or sometimes the heavy sun damage that we see in the forehead and all the way running around the sides. So these are all the things under the umbrella of hyperpigmentation, actually.
Home remedies versus medical treatment.
Home remedies, if you want to ruin your face, then home remedies. Because, lemon, rubbing it on the face, the citric acid, and you not neutralizing it is going to do more damage. There are other little things that can work. If you're putting basin on your face, it's not doing any harm, nor helping your skin in any ways. You need some medical treatments, especially when we're dealing with acne, which is a bacterial infection, or we are dealing with some kind of hyperpigmentation like melasma, where we really literally have to reprogram those pigment producing cells, and you will definitely need more than what's available in your kitchen. So if you want something more than Google can offer, because Google is only going to give you some mixed information, but you really want to understand your skin and you want that knowledge, please do come and see us here, and all our consultations are free.